everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today is the day that we are going to start cleaning, purging, and organizing the homeschool room. It is currently a hot mess express. Like, you guys, it is so bad. We've basically spent the entire summer using it as a dumping ground and a catch-all. So any book or game that has found its way into the rest of the house has now been piled down here. Everything that I got for the upcoming homeschool year has been piled down here, and it's just time. It's time to clean the shelves, wipe everything down, purge anything that is no longer serving our homeschool well, and then making room for all of the new things that hopefully will serve us well. And also get a little bit of organization in there so that hopefully this homeschool year will go a little bit smoother because I'll be able to lay hands on everything that I need. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're starting with, bring you along for the process, and then hopefully I'll be able to show you at the end that it's done. Fingers crossed. We have 1 week to get it done. We start back a week from today. So wish me luck. Well, we officially got this section of books done. Okay, now that the shelves are completely empty and wiped down and I'm surrounded by hundreds of games, I'm feeling super overwhelmed and I don't know where to start. I got through all of the books, well, all of our fiction books today, and that seemed like a huge undertaking. And then I thought, hey, I still have a little bit of energy. Let's do the games. And I emptied the shelves completely and wiped them down. And now I just don't know. Like, we had a system that worked really well for us for a few years, and I sorted them by subject, and I just don't think that's going to work for us anymore. And I was thinking about maybe sorting them by length of time so that we could pull like quicker games, so I could basically pull games based off of how much time we had to play them. But sometimes there's only 2 of us playing, sometimes there's 3 of us playing. So then I thought maybe I'll sort them by number of players, and then I just am super overwhelmed now because I still need to go through the games and purge. Then I need to figure out how we're going to put them back on the shelves. It's a lot. It's a lot. So we're going to figure this out. We're going to get them all back on the shelves. Finally got the games done. This is a section of card games. I need to go to Michael's and get a few more of those, and then they will go in those. So I ended up doing single player, 2-player, cooperative, family favorites, let's see, language arts, math, history and geography, and then science, nature, and art. Today, at least where I'm going to start, is all of our card games. So I use these photo cases from Michael's, and I had 10 already that need to be organized and labeled. Then I just went and got 4 more, for all of the other games. So those also need to be organized and labeled. So I have my label maker, my bins, all of my card games, and hopefully we get through all of them. Each one of these holds 16 games, so I'm not gonna do the math, I'm exhausted, but 14 times 16, that's how many card, dice, and like small games we have. It took me way too long, but I officially got them done. And I have 13, not 14, I can't count. Every game inside is labeled and each of the bins is labeled. Today's goal is to tackle this shelving system, which houses the majority of like our science, art, STEAM subscription stuff. And then Emily's STEAM center over here, which has slowly turned into a Lego center. In the final stretch, we just need to vacuum and dust and do the last few little things, and then the schoolroom will be done just in time for us to start school tomorrow. We did it. The homeschool room is clean, purged, and organized just in time for us to start our new school year. Stay tuned for a homeschool room tour coming soon.